Hello guys, good evening. It is 7 p.m. on Friday and we're going for some wild brown trout today. This is my setup, ultralight rod with a trout magnet. Let me just show you guys what I have in my bag. I cleared it out today, just now, and I'm just bringing along with me what I'll be using, which is basically a little can of trout magnet, some tubes, some little bucktails. I also have a chartreuse rooster tail with me. And I'm sure that's all I'll really need, and if it fails, then it fails. A lot of people will overpack and bring too much with them, and just being overburdened can really kill the experience for you. So pack light. Now this is nothing special. I believe it's an Ozark Trail or Ready to Fish, whatever brand that is, I'm not sure. It's pretty much a rooster tail spinner, gold plate. Let's see if this will catch us some fish. Okay, got the chartreuse spinner on. Let's see if we can get a bite with this. Throwing it into this flat. Let me angle myself a little better to fish this deeper portion here. There we go. Good spot. More than likely fish here. Not getting any bites though. Ooh, there you go. First fish of the day on the spinner. There's our little wild brown trout. He's a beauty. Or she. Whoa. Flip it right over there. Flip it right into this shaded area. Whoa, beautiful. Ooh, yes sir. Finally. That's gonna be fish number 2, looking like a 2, looking like a 2, looking like a, oh, came off. That was beautiful though. Got too excited there. Never been on this side of the creek before, or this section of the stream. This looks like a nice little run here. Toss it right into it. Ooh, it's a nice little tug there. No hookup though. Let's try it again. Gonna stay in the shadows. Another good bite, just no hookup. Let's try over here. Okay, I'm seeing something. Definitely some bigger ones here. Oh. Wow, those are big ones. And they are aggressive. Very aggressive, definitely gave chase as well. Let's see if we can get those. Good spot. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Wow. It's probably one of the biggest wild browns I've ever caught. Calm down. He's certainly not happy. Absolutely beautiful. Just found this ant crawling on me. Put it on the tiniest little J hook I could find. Look at that. Whoa. There he goes. Alright, got the actual trout magnet on. I'm gonna cast right in between these two logs. Give me a second. Cool. Oh. Lost him. It was a good one too. Gonna try and stay as far back and along this bank as possible. Avoid startling the fish. Let's try casting in the shadows here. Super hard not to get noticed. You can see the fish spook as I walk along. There's a trout right there swimming to me. Will he eat it? He seems pretty spooked. Oh, that was cool. Come on. All right. What a beauty. Thanks for playing. Look at them shimmering in the sunlight. Whoa. He's right there. There he is. He's good. This is a crazy spot. So if I hook up, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to land it. Alright, I hooked up. How am I going to land it? How am I going to land it? Oh, there we go. Popped off. It's like, how are you supposed to land that? Oh, pulled it out of its mouth. Let's try casting under this tree. And I got a little sunny. Wow. I did not know they were in here. See, how is it that a sunny is so accurate, but these little trout are not? I don't get it. I did not know there were sunnies here. This is a bigger one too. Yes, let's go. Look at this guy. Pretty. There he goes. Oh, wow. Oh, that was a big one. That was a real big one. Holy smokes. I had a great time out on the water, and I really enjoyed these catches, and I hope you did too. So until next time, stay thick and juicy.